Today we'll be taking a look at the Foton TM3 truck. Let's go. This is the Foton TM3 truck. The TM stands for truck mate. This truck is a 1.5 4-cylinder petrol engine. This truck is a multi-purpose truck and can be used as a carrying truck and also a refrigerator cooling truck. This truck is also a 1.5 tons truck and can carry up to 1.9 tons. As you can see, it has so many electrical functions that can go with what you want to do. Looking inside the truck, you will notice the power steering, the 5-speed manual gearbox, the air conditioner, and airbags, and so many other things like the antenna for FM radio. This truck offers so much that many trucks cannot afford today.